If you're interested in doing a little experiential writing, the first thing you want to do is put the images either in your pictures folder or your desktop, somewhere you can easily find them. The next thing you want to do is go to inmaninnovations.com and download the template for the program that you are going to be using. In this example, we'll be using the template that we made for Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. So you click on the Office button to open a document, click on Open, and look for your document called Template for Experiential Writing. Open that. Now, of course, a template is just a form to be used as a guide for making your book. So you want to leave it as is for future use. Click on the Office button, choose Save As, PowerPoint Presentation, and let's name it, instead of template obviously, let's call it Johnny 1 because we're working with a child named Johnny, and click on Save. If you click just on Save instead of Save As, you will overwrite your template. So here's the place to insert your picture, and here's the place to insert your text. When you're ready to insert a picture, click on this icon that says Insert Picture from File, then go to the folder where your pictures are. I put mine in a subfolder named Johnny in the Pictures folder because it's going to be a book that Johnny made. And we're going to use some pictures and language from real situations. This is the first picture we're going to insert. I click on Insert, and I have my picture. Next, we want to look at the description we're going to put in. So if I highlight this text in this text box that says Type Description of Picture here, anything that once it's highlighted, anything I type in now will automatically overwrite the text in the box. So I could type in my text here. I'm going to start with the blank one, and let's see how Johnny went about making his book. His therapist asked him, "What's happening in this picture?" And he used his device and wrote, "I am dress." And she asked him, "What do you dress for, Johnny? Is it Christmas, Halloween, or your birthday?" He typed in Halloween. Then she prompted him to add that little word for and to put the ed on the end of his verb form. The next picture was him at the aquarium taking a picture with a shark. So we're going to click on the picture and click on Insert, and the aquarium is his favorite place. So once again, she asked him, "So what are you doing in this picture, Johnny?" And he used his device to say, "I am taking picture." And this was really exciting because he learned to say that from an earlier experiential book that he had written. So then she prompted him, "So who are you taking the picture with?" And he said, "Shark." So then she went back and helped him to add the little word with the shark. So that picture's done. Now let's go to the next one. Click on Insert Picture from File. We're going to pick a picture of Johnny listening to his iPod. So she asked him, "What are you doing in this picture, Johnny?" And he wrote, "I listen to music." Then she prompted him and said, "What is in your hand?" And he said, "My iPod." Then she helped him to add, "I listen to music on my iPod." So this is all there is to it. You just click here, Insert Picture from File, choose your picture, insert your text, and it's done. Now, as you're going along, make sure to follow the admonition, save early and save often so you don't lose your work. Click on the Office button, click on Save. To view your work, just click on Slideshow, choose From Beginning, and you can click on your arrows to move forward and backward in your slideshow. And you can see how quickly this can be done. Typically, the kids love the books they've made and like to look at them over and over again. You could also print it out and send it home with them, or send the completed PowerPoint presentation home so they can look at it on their home computer.